Please subscribe and press the bell icon. What is plant-based eating? In this video we will understand plant-based eating and some facts about it. We are hearing the word plant-based nutrition more and more in our society. With the launch of documentaries like Game Changers, books like Forks Over Knives and the emergence of athletes changing their nutrition to be plant-based, one has to wonder what this is all about. Our understanding of plant-based eating may differ from one individual to another. In the world of nutrition, plant-based eating is having a large portion of one's nutrition coming from vegetables, fruits, herbs, nuts, whole grains and also include legumes or other plants. A spectrum of plant-based nutrition options is available to you. Some are very strict, vegan diet, others are still adding animal products like dairy, vegetarian. And at the other end of the spectrum are those that still eat meat, poultry and fish on an occasional basis. We once believed that early humans consumed a large proportion of animal protein in their diet. It is from that belief that, in the 2000s, the paleo diet, mainly comprised of animal protein, became really popular in the world of nutrition and diet. Although, we now know that the nutrition of bipedal primates and Homo sapiens was primarily composed of nuts, fruits, leaves, roots, seeds and water. In that case, the original paleo diet was in reality plant-based eating. Yeah, we know it does surprise you. It is also linked to the fact that some of the strongest animals on Earth are not carnivores. The strongest mammal is the gorilla, most are herbivores. It has the ability to lift around 4,409 pounds, that is 10 times its body weight. It would be like a 200-pound individual lifting 2,000 pounds. If other mammals can live a healthy and strong life on a plant-based nutrition, we probably can too. Why choose a plant-based nutrition? Many reasons exist for choosing a plant-based nutrition, but here's our top 5. 1. Improve your health. Most Americans consume double the recommended daily intake of protein, which can also cause issues with digestion. By reducing your intake of animal food, you will most likely reach the recommended daily intake of protein without surpassing it. 2. Succeed in weight loss and weight management. In general, individuals who are on a plant-based nutrition tend to consume fewer calories than individuals who consume animal protein. That is because most of their calories are coming from healthier options and fewer calories per weight. Plant-based eaters tend to eat less processed food and avoid meat-focused restaurants like fast food chain that provide unhealthy meal options. 3. Prevent or manage a chronic disease. Research demonstrates that individuals on a plant-based nutrition can prevent chronic disease, reduce obesity and mostly encourage a healthy lifestyle and increase their quality of life. 4. Stop spending on supplements. Did you know that America's population spends more than $30 billion a year on supplements? What if you didn't need to waste that money? With a plant-based nutrition, you are more likely to receive all the nutrients you need from natural sources like legumes, vegetables, and fruits. Not only does this save you money, it also saves you from trying to remember to purchase and consume supplements. 5. Save our planet. Agriculture uses approximately 70% of our fresh water, globally on average. That said, the production of meat requires around 1,000% more water. 1 kilogram requires from 5,000 to 20,000 liters of water than some grains like wheat. 1 kilogram of wheat requires between 500 and 4,000 liters of water. We hope this gives you some clarity and facts about the plant-based diet. We will meet you again with some other topic. Happy eating!